just a shell before you. Loneliness was all I felt. Didn't wanna fall in love. Hey baby.
Just stop praying.
What are you doing? Look there. Babe squeeze the bump in my face and literally I have a whole bump in my face. What you have to say to that? Anyway, we're getting ready to go downtown. Meet with my sister.
She got her sister, me I go downtown.
Oh, okay. And yeah. That's all we have planned for today. Right, babe? Right? You ready? What are you gonna do, baby?
Run some errands.
Run some errands. What's up, guys? Happy Sunday. Last time you saw us we were going downtown, but today is Sunday and Courtney is cooking, so we're gonna film Courtney cooking. He's a little camera shot today, right, babe? But what are you making, baby?
Chicken.
He's making, let me be more specific, he's making baked chicken, rice and peas. His family's coming over, so he's making baked chicken, rice and peas. And me, I'm dealing with the vegetables as per usual, because you know what, he doesn't want me to cook, y'all. Like, seriously? What man don't want the woman to cook? But anyway, here's the process that he's in right now. So he already, babe, what did you do? What did you blend in all of this?
See.
You blended garlic, onion, scallion, thyme, peppers, and you just season the chicken to let it marinate. So that's where we're at right now. He's working on the stove area there, lighting the stove, aka so he's preheating the oven. We'll catch you back for the next process. Alright, so now babe's gonna put the chicken in the oven, and he preheated it at how much, babe? 200 degrees. And we'll check back in later. Guys, this is crazy. It is raining out here in Jamaica, so take a look outside. I mean, really. But yeah, so I'm gonna continue filming Courtney cooking. Right now he's gonna put on the peas, so I'm gonna show you guys what that looks like.
Ingredients we're gonna start use with cookie rice and peas, garlic, ginger, peas.
So you're gonna wash your peas.
Crush the ginger to get the flavor out. Pot. Garlic. Lots of it.
Okay, so basically you're crushing your ingredients, the ginger, you're crushing the garlic, and what else was there?
Just that.
And then you put it in your washed peas. So guys, you just add some water, a little bit to cover it. So once you put the water in, you let it come to a boil. Alright, so he's creating the sauce for the chicken. What did you add to the seasoning, babe? Browning and honey?
Ketchup.
Browning, ketchup, honey.
Hot pepper sauce.
Hot pepper sauce. Just add some brown sugar to it. So this is basically all the seasonings that he blended up, which was garlic, onion, scallion, a little bit of jerk sauce.
Yeah.
Right? He blended them all together. Seasoned the chicken with it, and then with the remnants, he just added brown sugar, honey, hot pepper sauce, and browning to it. So basically what he does now is coming up. The peas has come to a boil, and he's gonna quote unquote sink it, so he pour more water in it. That's what sinking means. So we're checking on the chicken right now. It's been about 20 minutes. So basically we're gonna baste the chicken now with the sauce. So we're using a brush, sauce to chicken. Guys, so you see the chicken is based, looking very yummy and scrumptious. Now he's gonna put it back in the oven. Another 20 minutes it'll be in the oven. Alright guys, so this is the second BST. Smells good. Ooh. Smells good, guys. Alright guys, now that it's basted, we're gonna put it back in the oven for another 5 or 10 minutes. So guys, I'm just baking the carrot right now. This is my special recipe of it. Basically what I'm gonna do is put some vinegar on it and some white sugar and put it in the fridge to cool, and so when time dinner is ready it will look real nice. Alright, so he's gonna check if the peas is cooked, and you'll know that it's cooked because it will be squishy in your hands, okay?
The peas will be busted.
And it will possibly be busted. So now you put back the peas on the fire and you start to season it. Now, Courtney knows exactly how to season it, so he'll give you the ingredients. Guys, this recording thing is taking everything out of me, and Courtney's here laughing because it must say, I didn't want content, so I must take content. So this is his ingredients there. Scallion, thyme. I'll put some salt in it. Crush in the scallion. Put it in the pot. Now you put in some thyme. Stir it. So he's putting some butter there now, chiffon butter. Mixing it around. And then some oil. Using the coconut milk. The one we're using is what?
Kendall.
Kendall milk powder. Coconut milk powder. And he's just putting the whole packet in there. He's just throwing a little bit of brown sugar in there, not a lot. And you just mix it around, put it to a boil, bring it to a boil, alright? Okay. We'll see you guys later. I'm gonna put this, everything all together in one. So this is how it looks, guys. I'm gonna put about 2 tablespoons of sugar and a teaspoon of vinegar. Ow! What do you have to say to the beef spare? Nothing at all?
Nope.
Nothing? Right, so the
we're adding the rice.
We're adding the rice. It's come to a boil and we're adding the rice. Right, so right now, I don't know, he's not even measuring it, but he has a lot of rice in there. Just add your rice however amount you want. And then after which, babe, what you do? Cover it up and let it come to a boil.
You have to stir it so the peas will be distributed evenly.
And then you cover it. Cover it for about 20 minutes. And then, alright guys, so after about 25 minutes or so, we checked on the rice. It's nice,
like this.
Nice and shelly. Very good. Oh, my partner, my people have see the things. Alright guys, so it looks like we're all done. It's baked chicken, jerk baked chicken.
Baked, no jerk baked.
Well, you use jerk seasoning. So it's
that doesn't mean you jerk it. Do you have a jerk grill?
So that's the chicken and the rice there, and he made some sauce. If y'all want a video on how he made the sauce, give this a thumbs up. Guys, I know this is kind of late, but yeah, this is the food that we made. The lighting is not even perfect, but this is a few hours later. It was pretty yummy. I haven't even tasted it yet. Okay, so this is the man of the hour. You made the food, I made the vegetables, and did you enjoy it, babe? Did it come out as good as you wanted it to?
Yeah, everybody loved it. So
everybody loved it, family loved it, and all. So thank you guys for watching this video. Subscribe like, comment, and Majestic Love says
A good night.
peace.